Hey friends, it's me, Wayman, and I'm out here on the mighty Susquehanna. Mrs. Wayman 29 was a little bit tired, so she couldn't go with me, so I'm out here by myself. But it's just beautiful out here, and it's kind of a nice day. There's a lot of logs sticking up in the river here, so you kind of have to be careful. But got some beautiful scenery out here. What I gotta do is eventually turn the thing around so you can see some of the scenery. And down here by the Great Bend, you know. So I have the tripod set up on the camera. I'm trying to do the J stroke here to keep the thing straight. I'm not very good at paddling yet. Mrs. Wayman 29 is much better than I am at it. So, yeah, it's a very nice day. Got some water in my bag. Put some safety stuff in there like a first aid kit. I feel okay being out here by myself. So, I don't get to do too much things by myself. I usually try to include Mrs. Wayman 29 and everything, but sometimes you just gotta do things by yourself. Get away. It's very peaceful here. So what I'm gonna do is turn the camera around so you can see kind of where we're going and the scenery. So hopefully you enjoy. Let me get it straight here. There we go. Yeah, so this is what I do when I'm not talking about religion. So hopefully I can post some of this online here. I don't know, Susquehanna River is kind of dirty. I don't know. Put it this way, I don't think I'd eat the fish out of here, but some people do. Let's see if we can get going a little bit faster here. So far we're making our way down. Actually seen some bald eagles out here on the flip this thing around so you can see what we're seeing here. Oh yeah, there we are. But so me and Dad Wayman 29 went boating up on Belmont Lake yesterday. So yeah, this is a pretty nice ride. So I don't want to bore you too much with my boat trip here, but I brought the camera along just so I could get some pictures of the wildlife. So never know what you see. See some ducks, see some geese, and some different things. This will give me a chance to practice my paddling techniques. So I went online and I checked out a bunch of them online, so that'll be pretty fun. So hopefully we won't have to walk anywhere out here. That would be bad. So far the river's been kind of low. I don't know if you can see on the bank there, but along the banks you can see where the water level's dropped a couple feet. Oh, there's a hooping crane over there. I don't know if you can see it flying by. There it goes. I don't know if you've seen that or not, but they're all over this river. It's very beautiful out here. What I want to do is come out here in the fall. Pretty cool. Yeah, so not too much been going on. Been trying to learn Hebrew. Guess we got some rapids coming up here, so gotta be careful I don't hit any rocks. Hopefully I can get by these on the way back. Suck being stuck out here. I got a rope in my bag. I can pull the boat up the stream if I need to. But yeah, so that's the video. And if any more exciting things happen, I'll be sure to let you know. So, take care, friends, and I'll see you in a bit. Hey, friends, I'm on my way back upriver, and it's extremely hot, and I have to go through some rapids up here. So, hopefully, I can do this right. If not, I'm screwed. But so far I've learned that you need to stay close to the edge of the shoreline to stay out of the main current of the river when you're coming upstream. It's like, no duh. But being new to boating, I just realized that. So I'll let you know how I make out once I get up through there. That's where I'm gonna have to go. So, it's very beautiful here. That's where I came from. So, see you on the flip side.